Hey there, viewers, and welcome to the Repair It, Don't Wreck It channel. Today we're working on a leaf blower, Echo PB751T. Something is broken in the recoil starter and it needs replacement. I decided to go with an aftermarket piece, a lot cheaper than an original part. Let's see if this thing's going to work. As you can see, the inside, there's a couple of tabs that are made out of metal, and the original one was made out of plastic. You're going to need an Allen key, and that's really about it to replace this part. With it sitting on the bench, I'm going to take the remainder of the 4 screws that hold it in place. With the recoil starter removed, you can see what has broken. One of the plastic tabs is missing. The new one is all metal, so let's see if it's going to work any better or last longer. What I'm doing is checking to make sure those 2 wings are free. Everything seems pretty good there, and it doesn't look like anything is broken. Now we can put on the new part. What I discovered is to get it to fit or mate into place, you need to wiggle it and pull the cord a little bit, and it'll eventually find its way between those 2 wings. You'll feel it go in. Also, the screws will line up perfectly for you, as you can see what's happening here. Now that everything's tightening up, I'm just pulling the cord lightly just to make sure everything is engaged properly and it feels right. I'm going to go around a little more and give everything a snug up. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing's going to work. A bit of choke, a couple presses on the bulb. And it starts. I think that's a fix. Let me shut it off and we'll do it again. Everything seems to work fine. This wasn't really all that difficult. So there you go, a fairly simple repair but satisfying. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And as always, repair it. Don't wreck it. Thanks for watching.